Hi everyone, so this is just a quick unboxing video to show you my Garmin Inreach Mini 2 that I just received recently. I'll be subscribing to the service and taking this along with me going on my upcoming trip. So let's look at what comes in the box. I guess some instructions are here. This is the orange color that I ordered. Wanted something to be bright and visible. This is what it comes in. Let's look down what's there. Charging cables, a carabiner that attaches at the back here, and I ordered also the spine mount adapter with the carabiner here. What comes in this box is another mount with the carabiner and an Allen key, and this mount basically goes on the back here. So I've attached the spine mount adapter at the back here. You can see it stretches all the way from here to the back of the Garmin Mini 2, and here's the carabiner attached to it as well. Now I've ordered a belt clip. The belt clip will be attached to the back here. This way I can attach the Garmin Mini 2 to my trouser, or clip in it basically anywhere if I ever want to use it, apart from hanging it with the carabiner. So this is how it looks basically. I'll have the service activated in a day or two, and I'll probably show you the setup as well. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. I'll show you the video for activating my subscription on my Garmin Inreach Mini 2 probably in the next one or in the next couple of days.